Hello friends, welcome to Prodhat channel. In today's video, we will explain about best CPU under 15000. Before buying there are few things to consider. Let us jump into the features and factors that need to be considered before buying the products, without any delay. The first feature to consider is a brand. You can purchase efficiently without worrying about the quality when it comes to a good brand. A good brand will have a proper service center and warranty that will allow you to last forever with durability. The next feature to consider is processor. First, we should decide whether to buy Intel and AMD processors, which are equally powerful. To know more about processor types, check our blog to know about it. The next factor is graphics card. Even though there are multiple graphics cards available in the market, it is always the best option to have a motherboard that allows an extra graphics card to be inserted within them. Make sure that you have at least a 2 GB graphics card embedded within the processor. They are responsible for the display quality, and hence, without a good quality graphics card, you will not be able to continue with high end processes like gaming and animation. The upcoming factor in this list is storage. There are two important concepts like temporary storage and permanent storage. The temporary storage is responsible for storing the data when an application is in running mode. Once the application stops functioning, the temporary storage will be deleted and restarted. This improves the computer's efficiency, and hence having good temporary storage is essential, especially in the form of random access memory. The next one is called the permanent storage device, which is otherwise known as the disk drive. There are two types of disk drives available, the hard disk drive and the other is solid state drive. The hard disk drive is more powerful and used for storing the data, especially as a backup. But if you are searching for a device that can store the data without damaging the content even when affected, the best option is to go for the solid state drive. The next approaching factor in this list is extra feature. One of the most important things is the presence of a cooling fan with sensor technology. Having a good sensor technology will ensure the CPU runs continuously for long hours without affecting its components. Make sure that it has other forms of connection like an HDMI port, also whether it has a proper connectivity in wireless technology like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This is essential for connecting the computer with the other display objects like the projectors and laptops. Also check whether it comes along with a certain pre-installed operating system version like Windows and MS Office for clear usage. After knowing about all the features and factors that need to be considered before purchasing this product, we have selected the top products that are best and available in the current market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product in the list is Travislapi Desktop PC CPU Computer Core i5-3470s and above 4 GB 320 GB HDD with Wi-Fi. The processor of this product is i5 processor. The features of this particular product are: it has a high-quality motherboard that can be expanded in the future. The RAM storage capacity in this product is 4 GB but can be increased depending upon the requirement. The hard disk drive storage is 320 GB but it can be replaced similarly to the other features. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Kangate Assemble Desktop PC CPU with 320 GB HDD vertical bar, 4 GB DDR3 RAM vertical bar, Core to Duo 3.0 GHz vertical bar, G-41 motherboard vertical bar, Wi-Fi, Intel Core to Duo. The processor of this product is a Core to Duo processor. The features of this particular product are: it comes along with a pre-installed version of Windows MS Office and antivirus. This product's storage capacity on RAM is 4 GB and on hard disk drive is 320 GB. The new G41 motherboard is installed for reducing the heat and also for upgrading in the upcoming future. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The final product in our bucket is Milestone Ibolintel Desktop Computer, Core i3, 4 GB RAM, 500 GB HDD, Wi-Fi, best for online classes and home use. The processor of this product is Core i3 processor. The features of this particular product are: the storage capacity of this product is more than 500 GB for hard disk drive and 4 GB for RAM. It also allows Wi-Fi connectivity with external devices. It comes along with the i3 core processor. To know more details about the pricing details of these products, visit the link given in the video description box. To know more details, check out our blog. The link is provided in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.